also moved to electrical pikipikis. Where did you do public participation? And Kenyans told you that they wanted electric pikipikis. You have a very simple concept. RUTO, you have a simple concept of the lever curve that explains tax income versus tax rates. And at the peak of that curve, the more you tax people, the more you reduce tax revenue. I honestly don't know who advises you. I don't know if you ever pray that you have put Kenyans into such misery. That notwithstanding, you have gone ahead to mess and confuse our education system. Where will the Kenyan child be? If you are one, you have choreographed denying the child of the poor education, Mr. RUTO. Where do you want the Kenyan child to go after 10 years? And I'm talking with the voice of the people as an elected leader. Why do you want to tax chama ya wamama?
Akinena sehemu ya Embu alikuwa na projutubu, na niliona wale wanamuadvise yeye ajamwambie mambo kamili. Alinena jana ati baada ya mwezi 3 atalete pikipiki ile itumii mafuta. Nataka kumuuliza swali, na wale business people wale wameoda pikipiki billions watapeleka wapi? Na hizi zingine tuko naye yote alikuwa na jigamba ni ya hustlers, tutapeleka wapi? Kwa hivyo RUTO yule anamaliza nchi, na mimi simuogopi.
You baptized the common man with a new name called hustlers. But the first thing that you did, Mr. RUTO, as soon as you got to that throne, is to make sure that all the prices of commodities for the hustlers went up. The first thing you did, Mr. RUTO, was to make sure that you forgot about hustlers and began to look for positions for your friends. You created positions for your friends, and the hustlers were left looking at you. Mr. RUTO, you still continue to lie to hustlers. You are lying to